Hello troops. Hello troops. I'm back in my Glasgow, in my beloved Glasgow. So I'm sitting at, would you believe that? Would you believe that troops? I'm sitting under Stobcross Crane. Aye, Stobcross Crane. Nothing, Stone Crane. Stobcross Crane. We be cold, but doesn't matter. The air of my Glasgow. That's 2 years gone by. When the West End Rangers, Susan, yeah, some this moment, everything. It's just like here, here you have just to remind you, troops. It's a Stobcross lands. This part of Glasgow is called Feniston, but it was called earlier Stobcross lands plus Sandyford. And they when John Orr was the owner. He just developed that area in 1745 with some houses and that, mansions. Around 1745, but his son his son Matthew Orr, he just took it and renamed it Feniston in 1768. And Matthew Orr renamed that area Stobcross Lands plus Sandyford Feniston after his Reverend teacher John Finney, hence Finney Feniston. Here you have. And here you have that great fucking great Stobcross Crane. Stobcross Crane because it's done in Stobcross Cay, founded by the Clyde Navigation Trust around 1931 too. It's called a pride of Glasgow and the pride of Clyde. How pure brilliant that crane really is. Fucking man, seriously. I'm cursing again, sorry. I have to. I'm in Glasgow, so I have to curse. I can't curse that, man. I'm just looking at that Stobcross Crane. It's my drive, you know. I'll let you know a secret. So that Stobcross Crane, it's my drive. So this Glasgow accent. The harder Glasgow accent is, the fucking better. So is that Stobcross Crane is my fucking drive as well. So if I'm sitting here under Stobcross Crane, I'm so fucking, turned on. Alright, so I have to tell you something today. What happened to me today? I'm in Glasgow. I'm back in Glasgow. Here you have. They just stopped me for a wee while, but then I met immigration officer.
Okay. Come on.
But then I met an immigration officer who knew me for my previous visits to Glasgow. So when he saw me, he just I sorted out the manager. And he had to tell me that, oh, hello Paulina, how's it going? How you doing? And he just smiled. He smiled, man, seriously. I just started a wee blesser. The immigration officer, that one, he knew me, and he saw me just, I talked to my manager, and then he sorted out. So, and he told me that I can be in my Glasgow, everything.
Hi down, my dear. I love you. Excuse me. Hi there, how are you?
Great.
I'm very sorry about my eye, right? Do I know what happened to my eye? I went out to the shop and I went to walk into the shop and I walked straight out the door. I went,
Oh,
for
so sorry.
goodness sake. But don't worry, I had, what do you call it, on these, thingies, eye thingies you call them. But I can't remember what they're called, but...
So you okay just now?
What?
You okay just now?
Yes,
Right.
I'm absolutely fab. How about yourself? You okay?
I'm great.
Absolutely fab, right? I'm going to leave you
Just
be,
feeling.
okay?
Alright.
Right, you have a nice evening.
You too.
Excuse me. See just that wee 2 seconds that we spoke together. Do you know what I mean? Just the wee 2 seconds that we spoke together. It made me really happy. Okay?
Alright.
I'll see you later, my dear.
See you after.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So here you have troops. A very pleasant Glaswegian. That's how Glasgow men behave, act. You know? A fucking Glasgow men, they just talk to you. Random man, random strangers. Strangers from the streets of Glasgow. They just fucking talk to you, chat with you. Whatever you had trips. He didn't know me, that Glaswegian. Ah, do you want to know what happened to my started that conversation, blah 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 blah. It was so fucking nice. But coming back to the immigration officer who, you know, who recognized me, he just sorted out my thing with his manager, the airport manager, and he told me that I have no longer any issues, so I can come to my Glasgow without any fucking issues, man. Any fucking issues. I can stay in Glasgow with no issues no longer. I'm no longer on issues, man. Aye, that's so fucking pure brilliant. I'm sorry. Glasgow effect again, sorry. Look. Fucking great. Stobcross Crane on that air of Glasgow. Fucking I love. It's just updates. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye, trips.